Hello everyone, a very warm good evening and welcome back to this Chit Chat show which is organized by Dream Chaser Media Production and supported by Swad Hindustan Ka. So today on our guest list is a very beautiful model who was a part of reality TV show Mujhse Shaadi Karoge season 1, and apart from that she's also an influencer and a blogger. So let's welcome Shivani Jha aka B Vani online and get to know more about her life and her journey till now. Well, I just hope that she's there. Yes, she is. That's what I appreciate in people, punctuality, and she's right there. Hi, Shivani, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
Can you see me? Hello?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, but you're pretty much still.
Can you see me?
Yeah, now it's fine. Yeah, some internet issues, I think. And yeah, how are you? You're looking very pretty.
Thank you. I'm good. How are you?
Okay, so first of all, I want to know, like, your Insta handle says B Vani. आप शिवानी है, तो मतलब ये इतना creativity कैसे आई? You know, how was this name thought?
Okay, so when I thought of getting into the blogging part, I saw people have these creative usernames, you know, caught in a cuff, and then like a lot of bloggers still have those usernames. So I was always like the boho girls. I was like, let's, you know, I want to do something, you know, what's trending right now. So I thought of using B like me, like B Vani. Shivani was the name. So I was like, let's make it to B Vani, like be like me. But then a single B, the B E, a single E wasn't, you know, available because someone was using some username of that sort. So then I had a little bit of research about bees, because then I wanted to connect it with bees. So I've read about bees, and I came to know that they communicate with dancing. So when they want to, you know, talk to their mates or anyone like around in the group, they always dance and communicate whatever they want to say. So I was like, yeah, this is like a good representation of myself as well. So I was like, okay, let's go for B Vani.
Yes, that's what I'm saying, you know, that's a beautiful, like, I really loved it, like B Vani, and you know, even if you like pronounce it fully, like Bivani, so that also sounds very nice, you know, that's a beautiful name.
Thank you. So that is how it's B Vani.
Great. So B Vani, you know, I might address you like that also, B Vani. So tell me, like, you know, how was your लॉकडाउन पीरियड, यू नो, और कैसा गया आपका, क्या किया आपने नया, क्या आपको, यू नो, बिकॉज एज अ मॉडल एंड एज अ सोशल इन्फ्लुएंस यू टेंड टू ट्रैवल अ लॉट, बहुत जगह जाना पड़ता है, सब कुछ एकदम से बंद हो गया, तो आपने क्या क्या नई चीजें करी इस टाइम पे, क्या क्या ऐसी चीजें थी जो आप पहले नहीं कर पा रही थी बिकॉज ऑफ लैक ऑफ टाइम, या फिर एनीथिंग न्यू दैट यू स्टार्टेड, यू नो, इन दिस लॉकडाउन पीरियड?
I started a lot of makeup things. So earlier मैं makeup में इतनी involved नहीं थी. I was not, you know, a makeup junkie, और मुझे makeup इतना पसंद नहीं था. But being in lockdown, घर पर और कुछ करने के लिए था नहीं. So I started face painting and, you know, watching videos and understanding how to do makeup, how to get like a perfect base and stuff. I started doing all that research, and then I tried, and trial and error made me, you know, get into that makeup vibe कि अब मुझे makeup पसंद है. I like creating some looks or anything as such. So one thing that I really learned and acknowledged about myself is that I'm a good I can create stuff. This is what I learned in the lockdown.
And
so yeah, I did a lot of makeup.
I could see a lot of, like, you know, very creative videos which you did with your mom also. Like, it was very funny ones which you did, and they were really nice.
Thank you.
So it's very difficult. See why I'm saying that, because it's very difficult to, you know, involve parents in your, you know, videos and all that, because generally, first of all, they don't agree. And it's very amazing that your mom has only told, like, you know, I just read the description of some of the videos where you said that, you know, your mom wanted to do this video.
Want to do it, my mom's very
amazing.
You know, she's very excited about the fact that she is making something with me, or anything new comes up, and she's been watching Instagram, only following me. So anything that I share or anything as such, she's like, oh, let's do this. So I'm like, yeah, okay, whatever.
Your mom is
Yeah.
So is it like your mom is one of your biggest fans?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh,
maybe. Yeah.
Nice. That's amazing.
Yeah.
So, like, so you did all this, so basically you didn't sit, जिसे बोलते हैं ना, आराम से नहीं बैठी थी आप, बी की तरह ही मंडरा रही थी, बहुत नई चीजें आप सीख रही थी, बहुत नई चीजें आपने सीखी, फेस पेंटिंग, that's one of the art, like that's very difficult art, फॉरेन में बहुत चलता है, इंडिया में थोड़ा सा कम है, but that's amazing actually, कैसे आप अपने फेस को पूरा चेंज कर लेते हैं and all that. So that's really nice. So इसके बाद, I want to know is that what this concept of influencer and blogging, this is again a very जिसे बोलते हैं foreign concept. इंडिया में आया तो है, but बहुत कम लोग रही है, thanks to Instagram, that people actually have realized who influencers are. ये influencer का जो term है, ये Insta से ही start हुआ है. And so tell us about, like, how you actually started this journey, in the sense that who was your influencer, who influenced you, and how did you get into this, blogging, also blogging, what kind of blogs that you write or do?
So earlier I was too obsessed with content creators, and I am still obsessed with Kusha Kapila and Santoshi Shetty because of her fashion sense, the way she used to, Komal Pandey for what she wears, the way she creates outfits and stuff. So these people, Ashna Shroff, so all of these I used to see earlier, and they used to create good content, roam around, and in anyone's head who's like trying to get into vlogging, first thing is ki, like, you're wearing free ka kapda, you're getting free ka brands, and you just have to post pictures. It is so cool. Even I want to be an influencer. That is how it starts in your head. So for me also, it was like, okay, wow, man, brands are going to send me clothes. I just have to wear them and post pictures. So that is how it started in my head. But that's not what actually it is. After like trying for it, doing it for a year or so, I realized it's not that. It's not that. Can you hear me?
It's not that easy. Yeah. I can. I think there is some disturbance in between. Yeah, I can hear you. Yes.
Yeah. So I realized that, and then I was like, okay, fine, let's just try and focus and entirely do it so that my audience actually understands what Shivani is. What am I influencing people on? I can just get a cloth, wear it, or wear a dress, and people will be influenced by me. That is not how it is going to be. So I started putting more efforts into it. Firstly, getting to know what I actually like. Now, like almost 6 months back, I would never wear a pastel dress or a pastel shirt or a skirt. I would not like pastels. I was a person who would like vibrant colors, or black, or maroon, or dark blue. But now, if you ask me, I would like to go on the floral, toned down colors. Pastels. So I try to understand what I actually like and how my feed, or how the the representation of my blog should be. So earlier I used to write blogs on WordPress, but then I realized that I am not someone who enjoys writing a lot. I can express, but I can't write. So I can't get into the fact that, okay, this person is doing a writing blog, so I should also do a writing blog. So that's not how it worked in my case. I stopped writing. And I thought, let's maybe do everything that I want to do. Even if I want to, just wear outfits and click pictures, or I want to do a funny video, or I want to make TikToks until TikTok was there, or I want to, make a dance video. So most probably, I would never say that I am into one stream of work online or in my personal life as well. So I dance, I can sing, I can do modeling, or I can do acting shows, I can do realities. So I am going to keep my vision open to everything. And that is how I keep my Instagram as well. That I am not only a fashion blogger, or I'm not only a blogger. I can call myself.
Basically, you want to try whatever comes in your hand.
And whatever. And I think that I can, maybe not excel, but actually, grow in whatever I'm trying to do. Like for makeup, a year back, I would never, imagine that I would, collaborate with makeup brands, and videos for them. So,
Shivani, some issue is happening with the internet.
Even yours
just lost you for a few seconds in between. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah. Can you see me now?
some issue is happening. We are in between, but Can you see
me now?
Now it's perfect. So you were, I can hear you. I can hear you perfectly. So that's basically you want to experience everything in life, and you don't want to get stuck to. Yeah, that's amazing.
Yes.
And that's how it should be. And that's why your fans are telling you are an inspiration to all of them.
Thank
so
you.
It's nice. So it's really nice. And so tell me, like, what is the best thing that you love doing? Like, I just saw a recent video where you went to a salon and, you got pampered. So that's one thing. So that's one of the best things, obviously, as you said that, kapde pehen ke you can get the photographs clicked. What else you want? And, you don't have to buy that also, that's one of the things. So, there also you are getting pampered. So what is the best thing that you love blogging about? Like, or, being an influencer, getting, something from the, clothes का मजा आता है, makeup का अच्छा लगता है, या something like this, salon and all that?
I would personally say I love new clothes. I am a fan of wearing different clothes every day. If I'm given like a wardrobe, I would be I would go gaga over it. कि मुझे बहुत सारे कपड़े रोज अलग-अलग पहनने हैं. So outfits is one thing that really excites me. Second is skincare. Makeup is okay, but skincare is something that if I'm collaborating with a brand which is in a a good skincare brand, and I'm like always obsessed with trying something new with my face, or I don't stick to anything in the same way. I think that's my nature, that I don't stick to one thing. I try and try everything and see how it works for me. If it doesn't, then okay. Then I don't go back to the same thing again and again. I try exploring.
And so, I must tell you, I think you have a very pretty face, in the sense your jawline, everything is so perfect that everything suits you. Like you open your hair, you tie it up, whatever you do, it suits you. So that's one of the it's a blessing, because most of the females, they don't have that. And so many people love your dimple also. They are just commenting on that, Shivani, your dimple, Shivani, your dimple. Okay. So tell me, Shivani, how you were as a kid. I can see you all the chirpiness, bubbliness, and all that. So how were you as a kid? Were you naughty enough to trouble your mom and dad, or were you? I don't think you were a silent kid. But definitely you must have done something. You were not, right?
No.
So, definitely you must have done something crazy, something weird, which you must remember. Like, you must be remembering right now. So, kuch yadein bataiye, what you used to do?
So, as a kid, I was a tomboy, I've always been like a person who is, like, I was huge. I was not girly. I was never girly. And the best part is I was in a girls' school. So it was a convent school wherein I couldn't grow my nails, or, my first collar button had to be shut, a tie had to be here. So that was the kind of school I was in. And I've had many memories, because I used to travel for the last 4 years, from like around the 6th grade to the 10th grade. I used to travel from Kandivali to Santa Cruz to school, because we shifted to Kandivali. So I used to travel by train. So morning 5 a.m. I used to go to school, and I remember I used to meet the teachers in the train. So there were teachers who used to travel by train as well. So what used to happen is I had this habit of keeping my hair open while traveling. So the moment I used to reach Santa Cruz, I used to tie the plate and the red ribbon. Otherwise, I used to keep it open. So that always, like every day, the teachers used to, stare at me in a way like, what the hell? Like, why is your hair open? And I wouldn't explain them that it's just uncomfortable for me to, tie two plates and travel when I'm in my 8th or 9th grade. It suddenly becomes, people are watching me. So why would I have
exactly. You get conscious and all that, because you get like, people are watching you, and all those things happen.
Right. So that thing used to happen. So that is one thing which I used to always get, scolded for when I used to be in school. Teachers used to have that, bad vibes about me. Ki, we've seen you, your hair used to be open. This girl is not good. Let's not talk to her. That is what the vibe I used to get in school. And I was a backbencher. Always a backbencher. Always, troubling my
front
the
benchers
partner that I used to have, front bencher, that what are you doing? Give me your notes. I don't know what to do in school. And I was very mischievous. So
I'm very sure. देखो pretty girls को तो सब मिल जाता है, तो खुशी सब दे देते होंगे अपने notes. ले लो शिवानी, ले लो हमारे notes.
I was not that pretty in school. I was not pretty. That's what I'm telling you. I was tomboyish. So I was not. I was very weird in school. But I had the best life in school, and I did a lot
so
of
anything, any incident that you remember that you used to do probably, or probably you did once. कभी ऐसा भी होता है ना, कुछ एक काम कर लिया उसके बाद पकड़े गए, फिर वो वाला कुछ है तो याद बताओ.
I have really thick lashes.
Okay.
So my lashes are very thick. The underline and the upper lashes are very thick. Okay. So what used to happen is, if I used to have an off on Sunday from school anyway. So on Monday, if I used to go to school, so I used to apply kajal when we had an off. So the kajal residue used to remain in my eye.
Right.
So I had to rub it and then go to school. And sometimes teachers would take me to the principal's office because saying that she has a lot of mascara and kajal in her eye. And I remember this one incident wherein I didn't apply kajal because of all the things that used to happen to me. And that day, teacher, picked me up and she's like, let's go to the principal's office because you always apply kajal. And I'm like, today I haven't. Like I literally haven't. And she's like, no, let's go. We went to the principal's office. My principal literally took a tissue paper and she rubbed my eyes to check if I had kajal.
और कुछ नहीं आ रहा था.
और कुछ नहीं आ रहा था. And I'm telling them, ma'am, I'm not lying. I have like thick lashes. Right now also I have nothing on. So I have thick lashes that it will look as if I have a liner or anything. Like, no, you have, and you're rubbing my eyes. My eyes are all red. And convent school principals are, really strict. So that is one incident where I cried and I was, I was left with nothing. I was like, please, why don't you understand? My parents were called, my mom was called, and they're telling them, take her out of school. Anyway, you guys travel from Kandivali, let her leave the school. She's not meant for the school and stuff like that. And I had to cry a lot, and then that's one incident that I always remember.
That is like something, it's part of your beauty, and somebody's not actually believing that, you
exactly. और जितने दिन से मैं कर रही थी,
somebody pulling your hair and saying कि तुमने wig लगाई है, तुम वो something
exactly,
like that.
Exactly. और जितने दिन से I was doing that, तब तो कुछ नहीं हो रहा था. But then I stopped. I know that you guys are noticing, and that's when you're holding me. So,
that's like, these are the memories actually which stays all the time, and कभी-कभी गुस्सा भी आता है, ऐसा लगता है अब मिल जाए जरा वो टीचर जो लेके गई थी. I know. So tell me, Shivani, like, what are your future plans? क्या सोचा है इसके बाद, like, lockdown में right now you are because as an influencer अभी start तो हो गया होगा काम, but must be in a slow pace. So what are you doing? Because you are a B-Wani, you just can't sit idle. तो कहीं ना कहीं कुछ तो दिमाग में चल रहा होगा. So what are your future plans?
Currently, right now, present, I am doing a few collaborations here and there, and working on my content on my Instagram because I'm still aspiring. So I won't ever say that I am, a well-made influencer. I'm still aspiring. I'm trying to create my own content in my way, and future plans are almost. I literally just want to get into not just into acting, but that's what my ultimate goal is. That's what I wanted to ask, because do you want to get into Bollywood and all that? Because definitely. That is my ultimate goal of life. That's one thing that I genuinely want to do, and that's what I dream about every night. So I want to get into Bollywood.
Great. We wish you all the best that you should get into that, because that's something we should keep dreaming. That's what I always believe in. And obviously you must see every day you doing all these videos and all, तो acting तो कहीं ना कहीं उसमें करनी होती है, and कहीं ना कहीं वो आई जाती है. So I'm sure you must be getting a lot of offers also, and I just hope that future में आपको कुछ ऐसा बहुत ही तगड़ा वाला offer मिले and you accept that, and we all see you on big screen. So just say hello to all your fans. They
Hi.
Hello लिख रहे हैं. So just say hello to all of them. And guys, if you want to ask anything from Shivani, which is like थोड़ा question which should be genuine. So अगर आप कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं, so you can ask. I'll put that question across. But ask genuine questions. कुछ उल्टे सीधे नहीं. So okay. So Shivani, like apart from this, tell me, is there anything that you like you want to be a Bollywood actress, और कहाँ देखती हो अपने आप को, like किस role में, which is that role which you see, oh यार ये तो मुझे करना है, something like that.
Geet, Jab We Met.
Jab We Met, nice. Yeah, that's actually that was like favorite for everyone, you know. मतलब
yeah,
वो ऐसा character
and that's one movie that I wanted to do, and also one more which is Highway, Alia Bhatt.
Yeah,
that's one movie that I really wanted to, you know.
Okay. And you know, I must say you don't have that choice. नहीं तो होता है ना glamorous वो वाला कुछ होता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You just want to be a realistic one, you know, जो real.
I want to be a realistic actor. Yeah. I want to be an actor. I don't want to be like a public figure just because of my looks or anything. I really want to work because of my talent.
So do you want to get into like theater or some acting courses? Do you want to do that, or is it?
I have done 2 months of acting workshops with one of the directors of a play that I was working in. So I've given auditions as well. I've done a few ads as well earlier. But then I was in Dubai for a project that I was doing. So I had a gap of almost 2 years. So then I was back, and then I did MSK, Mujhse Shaadi Karoge. And now I'm totally focusing on to my blogging.
So how was that experience, you know, Mujhse Shaadi Karoge season 1? How was that experience? Like, that was and reality is very different, you know? Like, it's not like, it's like kind of penetrating in your life, and, you know, sometimes it gets a little too high. So how was this experience?
It was an amazing experience, I would say. It was short and sweet. I stayed there for a week, but then because of the pandemic, it had to, you know, we had to call off the show. But I learned a lot from the show, and I always wanted to, you know, do a show wherein, to start with, you know, for people to know me. Like my Instagram is Vivani, be like me. I always wanted to, you know, if I would do a movie, or if I would do like a serial or whatever, people would know the character that I'm doing. That's what I always know, that if I would play XYZ, I would be known for XYZ until I come for an interview and I say things about me. But whereas on the other hand, on a reality show, I would be me. I wouldn't have to, you know, act, and I wouldn't have to, you know, pretend to be someone else. So I always wanted to know that if people would accept me, like Shivani Jha as a person, if they accept me as a person, they will anyway accept any character that I play. So that is how I wanted to start, and it was one of the best decisions, I would say, because I realized that people do like the way I am.
Obviously.
So maybe now if I do any XYZ character, even if I do like a negative or a positive, or like a high class model role, or like a very low class, middle class girl, people would know who actually Shivani is, and they would see my talent.
You know what? People are saying that, you know, they want to see you in Big Boss. Do you want to try Big Boss?
They were saying this in the last interview also. I would love to be in Big Boss if they offer, and I would definitely
of Big Boss, if you're hearing us, please call Shivani. If you're hearing us, this interview on YouTube channel of Dream Chaser Media, please call Shivani, and, you know, she wants to be there, and she will be a very good contestant. I'm watching you for that.
Thank you.
So you have this thing, and, you know, I think you are on the right track. You're on the right path, and, you know, everything will happen soon in your life. And you know, so who is your favorite actor? If you want, like, if I want to ask you that, you know, whom you want to cast opposite?
These I would consider these as two different questions. If I would have to answer for the favorite actor, I would always say Nawazuddin Siddiqui. He's my favorite actor, but I would want to be cast with Shah Rukh Khan.
Oh my God! Everybody, Shah Rukh Khan, like, you know, मतलब age group खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है. Like,
नहीं होता है ना, because he is surreal. He's different. I have waited outside.
Shah Rukh Khan बढ़ता जा रहा है, but heroine की age कम होती जा रही है.
I have waited outside his shoot studio for 12 hours to just have a look at him. So that is how bad
look मिला कि नहीं? Autograph मिला?
I got a hug, I got a picture, I got a kiss, I got everything.
Oh my God! 12 घंटे. मतलब थोड़ा सा और he would have picked you up. He was like, wow.
So he saw me, you know, while going inside the set or coming out. He saw me sitting there, and towards the end of the night, when it was like the shoot was over, he came in and he's like, "Oh, baby, you've been waiting for quite a long. Come here." And I was like, "Okay, let me just go and get a selfie."
No, that's actually, you know, he's a very gentleman, you know, I must say. And, you know, his sensitivity is amazing. You know, he would just make you split, you know, in seconds.
He has a aura that you can't, you know, ignore, or you can't walk past it. That aura is super strong.
Okay. Thank you, Akshay ji. Thanks for coming online and seeing this chat. So and thanks to everyone who is there and who's watching this chat.
Akshay.
So if people have not seen, like अगर आप नहीं आ पाए online, so definitely you can watch this on my Insta handle and on the YouTube channel. So Shivani, is anything there that you want to tell your fans? जो आपके बहुत दीवाने हैं आपकी beauty के, and जो भी है, तो anything that you want to tell your fans and followers?
I want to tell them that they are my family and they've given me a lot of happiness, the time that everyone's dealing with right now, the pandemic and everything. I've been the most happiest because I have all of these people who are, every day trying to give me that acknowledgement that I have done something or I deserve it. Because that's how it keeps me going, or that's how anyone, in the industry or any place, if you have that motivation from someone, so they are my motivation in a way. And thank you so much for watching and, spending your time on my Instagram.
And very true. Very true. And hi Siddharth, hi to you also. And I must tell you, Shivani, like these are the people basically actually yahi hai ki, whenever you post, so they like, they appreciate, they kind of, tell you how it was. So I just want to know, is any fan of yours जिसने कुछ extra length जाके किया, कोई ऐसा, like you remember any such incident?
I have like a few of them in mind whose comments I know that this person is the one who's going to comment in the first 5 minutes of the post. So there are my fan pages which are right now, I think they're not here because I think they were not aware of this live.
No, I saw your fan page. Yeah, I saw hello from your fan page. It was there initially, when we started. Yes.
Yeah. So there are like a few fan pages. There's this person called Ria, and then Riva, and then there's Shivani World, there's Shivani Fan World, B1 Fan Club. So these people are always the ones, who just the moment I post my picture, it's only 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and I know they're gonna like it. So these people are always.
So you are already there. You have already, जिसे बोलते हैं ना, सीढ़ियों में से आप चढ़ चुकी हैं कुछ सीढ़ियाँ. You are already there. So it's good. So, you should be like that, stay the way you are. Just, you are a perfect human being. You are, that's the reason people love you. And stay happy. Stay always like this, chirpy. And, we want to see you like this only. Hamesha hasti rahiye. And we wish you all the best.
Thank you.
That aapki movie, Bollywood mein aapki entry, and Big Boss, we want to see you as contestant. Hopefully, we also keep our fingers crossed. If you go there, just do ping me and tell me that you got Big Boss. Probably.
I will.
Okay. So thank you so much, Shivani, for coming on our show and sharing all these beautiful thoughts and aapki life journey and everything. We wish you all the best in your future. Keep rocking.
Thank you. Bye. Thanks for having me, guys.
Bye. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye.